Action Jackson. Today we have a sneaker website review. It is from the BNVK.com. The BNVK.com. It is a shop from Honolulu, Hawaii. Yes, that far. And this took about 6-7 days to get here. Shipping was around $20 to the East Coast, and a total of $160 for this shoe. It is an Air Jordan. And here we go. Let's take a look. The object is not to review the shoe itself, really, is to review the website. It is the Air Jordan 1 Serena. I bought these brand new. I believe they did come up laced. Is there a crease right there? Oh boy. I'm not sure. Alright, these look pretty good. It's hard to tell for a second. Yeah, bottoms are new. Alright, let's take a look at the other one. You always gotta check, because you never really know. I mean, I've been screwed with before. These look good. Okay, these are new. Nice. We'll leave that right there. So the BNVK. So their service, I've ordered from them twice, I believe. I might have been refunded before. Their service is pretty good. Shipping is standard 5-7 days to the mainland United States. The website itself has, I would say it's standard pricing. Hawaii charges more for shoes, and that's just the way it is. So I would say it's pretty much market price. Prices are, they're fair. So out of a 5, what would I rate this? I would rate a 4.6 out of a 5. Based upon, if you gather everything together, the website's fair. 4.6 is a great rating. Website's fair. Prices are fair. The shoes are authentic. And that's that. I mean, they shipped, it says priority mail, but I don't know. I'm very pleased though with the purchase and the BNVK. Check them out, and thank you for watching this. Remember, if you enjoy my content, please subscribe to the channel. More videos like this, and good stuff. Thank you again.